The Vaperz Cloud HOG. No, Hammer of God.
Oh my God.
Give it the full name.
Yeah, hammer.
400 XL.
I've got a slight problem.
Right,
Well, no, actually, I'll rephrase that. You've got a big problem.
I have.
Well, in order to do these videos,
Yeah.
you only need to buy one device.
Yeah.
And Jean from Accounts is like, okay, one device. And you put in a request, it's a bit of an expensive one next time, it's a bit of a premium device.
Yeah.
And she's like, okay. And you took the credit card and bought 3.
Okay. Rationale?
Rationale, 3.
I've got a month before Jean needs to know about it.
Right.
By then,
Yeah.
this video blows up.
Yeah.
Loads of people go, thanks so much for covering that.
Yeah, okay.
And I can use that as my leverage with Jean to go, see?
It's just that you've spent the next 3 months' budget for vape videos on this one video. She might have a bit of a problem with that.
I think she will.
Yeah. This
is going to be a big video.
No, let's just pretend I'm Gene. You're not Gene.
Yeah.
You're Pete. Pete, why did you bloody need to buy 3 of them?
Oh, it's a really important video. The Hammer of God, or HOG as it's known in the industry.
Aye.
It's kind of entry of high-end, high-powered vaping. Even Birdie in Australia is going to be watching this video. It's huge.
Australia?
Yeah.
Wow, we've gone international.
Yeah.
So you've gone from Bulgaria to Australia.
Yeah. I'm picking up a whole new audience,
Where
Gene.
vaping's been banned.
Yeah, but it's big for us, Gene. I need this. So I bought 3.
Bought 3.
And I'm just
Okay.
going to make less videos in future because I needed to
And
do
you're
this.
keeping all 3?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. It's good to
Yeah.
know. None for any of your friends? Like, maybe guys you make videos with that sit across the table that you might, enjoy their company, talk about vapes?
Can't think of anyone. Let's drop down and take a look. I've got to make another confession. It doesn't come with a tank or a rebuildable tank or
Right, so
RDA.
it's just the mod.
yeah.
Right, and
So,
I notice there's no small measures on the top here.
Yeah, well, I normally start off with the atomizer, so I just wanted to get it cleared to you before you interrupt me and kick off.
Right.
I did have to buy that separately, but I only bought 1, so
Okay.
keeping costs down. So I use that with Jean, so you've got my back when I have that conversation.
Right.
I could have bought 3, couldn't I? But I bought 1 of those.
That's very good of you. Well done for being so,
Yeah.
held.
Okay,
Strained.
let's drop down and take a look. As I said, it doesn't come with a tank or RDA, so I've paired it with the Vaperz XL 40mm. It's the largest RTA in the Vaperz series. It's available in 6 colours. It has a quick release top cap. It's a postless build deck. Top to bottom airflow or anti-leak design. It has a chamber reducer and 66 holes diffusing that airflow intake. It doesn't really come with it, so I shouldn't really go on too much about that. So let's look at the HOG. It's an aluminium alloy. It has the chipset from the Vaperz Cloud Hot Swap range, and this one is the Hot Swap 400. On both sides, you've got panels that you can remove. On one side, you expose the 4 21700 batteries, and you've got 2 cogs at the base, which makes it really easy. And at the back of the batteries, you've got a display telling you how to place them in correctly, so you don't have any grief there. On the other side, you've got the control panel with a fire button. There's no USB-C port. On the control panel, you can access different modes like bypass, temp control, and wattage. It goes from 5 watts to 400 watts. It has a color OLED display, and you can change the color if you want to play around with that. But because it's high end, it doesn't even have pass-through charging. So you need a battery tray. So like it doesn't come with a tank, you also need a battery tray. But that is cool. That's what makes it cool. You have to get all these different things and accessorize it.
It's got to be the heaviest, biggest vape I've ever held.
Okay, let me sell that to you.
Yes.
Right? Not everyone's got the bulky arms of AJ. Some people need to train more.
Well, I've been out of training for a while, so the bulky arms have shrunk a little, which is giving it some heft.
That weight
Yes.
is going to keep you fit.
So this is going to get me back into training.
It's just another benefit.
Wow,
they don't
okay.
advertise that, but
okay.
it's one of the many benefits of having a hog.
Wow. It's absolutely ridiculously huge. It's almost like its selling feature is the fact that it's ridiculous.
It's ridiculously awesome. Ridiculously awesome. There's 4 colours in this range currently at launch.
Yeah.
There isn't an OVP orange. I don't know why.
What?
We've asked for it.
Yeah.
It probably needs an appeal because everybody knows. Look, OVP
Orange.
right? It's become FV orange
Yes.
because the FV Vape Show. Look,
Orange.
orange.
Yes. Orange. Oh, Slay, that's yellow.
Oh,
but,
it's yellow.
Thanks for playing the game.
But it's on the colour palette. It's on the colour palette, right?
I need you, OVP,
to do an appeal. Hold on.
to
I've
vape
got
with it and do an appeal because you've got the arms of a giant, the hands of a Goliath, the lungs of a beast.
We'll start the appeal off with just me looking cool with this vape.
Can you look
Right.
cool then? Let's go. Look cool. And start looking cool now.
Vaperz Cloud. It's me, OVP, from the FV Vape Show.
This is good. Yep.
I've got the hog in my hand.
Why are you doing an American voice?
Oh, yeah.
It's OVP, remember?
Yeah, no, you're right.
Yeah.
I'm going to start again.
No, carry on.
Hi, Vaperz Cloud. OVP here.
No,
That's right. Pete from the FV Vape Show.
Less effeminate?
I've got my hog in my hand.
Yeah.
Rather big and bulky and manly. And do you know what would make it more manly and more desirable to people all over the world?
The Biff edition.
Don't do that.
You could
Don't.
biff it off. Biff baff.
The OVP. No. It's
Biff edition.
now renowned as the FV
Wow.
Orange
Wow.
Edition.
Yeah.
So, people have been asking us for it for a long time. Like, oh, it's great that they've got these 4 colorways at launch, but where's the FV Orange? That's what we really want. That looks cool.
Yes.
But not as. I'm not going to buy one, not until there's an FV Orange.
Well, I don't know. That one looks quite cool.
Hold on, I've got a call coming through now.
Yeah. Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
You like it? Yeah. No, I'm live on air right now.
Oh, sorry. I was trying to get through to Love Honey customer support.
Are you looking to purchase a hog in FV Orange?
Is that the one that vibrates that I clip on, or do I have to put it over the balls as well?
No, they don't have one yet. They've got 4 colours at launch, though.
Okay. Well, I was really looking for one that would, would clip over and restrict blood flow.
Okay, I'll speak to Vaperz Clouds and see if they can do one for you in FV Orange. Bye.
You really need to get a new phone line for Love Honey customer support.
Every time I try and do something, you ruin it.
Well,
Look, this is the thing. It is bulky. It is a bit of a display piece, but there's people like Herb. He's in Canada or America, or he's over the pond, right? He vapes this sort of thing as a daily carry.
daily carry.
Yeah, he just slips that in his pocket, I expect. He's probably got 2, one in both pockets.
Wow,
right?
okay, yeah.
And just rips it up.
Yeah.
Birdie in Oz just rips it up. 400 watts.
The speckled, what do they call this colorway?
Oh, it's the cool as fuck finish.
Cool as wow, okay.
Yeah.
Wow, the cool as fuck finish is cool as fuck.
Yeah.
I'll be honest, I would like that in orange and like Larry colours.
There's actually 4. But I was nervous it going by 3.
Yeah. Well, you should have been, because it's
Yeah.
expensive.
So I just went for 3.
The purple that Vaperz Cloud always use is a thing of beauty, let's be honest.
That is incredible.
It's gorgeous. It's really lovely. If you're a bit more stealthy and you just want something a bit classy and black, which would be what I'd imagine you would normally buy, Pete.
Totally stealthed out.
Totally stealthed out. But I think something like this should be leery and loud and in your face, because there's no point in trying to hide it. You want it to be like ridiculous.
I posted, when I built on it, I've got 2 beautiful coils in there from Coils by Scott, right? When I built it, I posted it on Instagram story and it went crazy. It went crazy. So there's obviously people that absolutely love
Vapes
this.
really nicely, actually.
And that's what Jean needs to know. She needs to know that I love it, you love it, and we should be doing more of the expensive stuff. Maybe we'll do less videos. I need more expensive stuff in my collection, AJ.
I think I've suddenly fallen in love.
Would you carry something like that around?
No. I'd have it on my desk, though.
Oh, okay.
I just like how hilarious it is. Suddenly it's cloudy in here.
Yeah, you're actually going to set off the smoke detectors.
Yeah, good.
You're actually causing a real issue in here. The whole studio's getting smoked out. I mean, it is a vape show, so I guess you should vape. You can't even see me at points.
Insane.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. So it goes up to 400 watts. How many vapes do 400 watts? That's the thing Gene doesn't understand, AJ. We need more. We need more.
What, more watts?
More watts.
1,200 watts.
Yeah.
Give me 1,000 watts.
Give me 1,000.
Give me a kilowatt. Give me 1.21 gigawatts.
Get a flux capacitor in there.
We've got Biff. We just need a DeLorean. Come on.
DeLorean.
I want to vape on a DeLorean.
Let me...
It's really
let
cool.
me just rock that out.
Yeah.
It's incredible. The only thing is, and this
It's
is...
a criticism.
This is a little bit of a criticism for Vaperz Cloud, and also to you as a consumer who's looking at their next vape device.
Yeah. Are you moving on from disposables?
Yeah. If you're currently on a disposable and you're going, do you know what? I like the look of that.
Yeah.
Maybe not this. Right.
Why not?
I've got to call it out, AJ. I'm going to say it as it is.
Okay, yeah, be honest.
This is going to cost you a fortune in e-liquid.
Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah.
That tank was full this morning.
Yeah.
Right? And it's only now
And how
11 o'clock.
How much capacity roughly is in that? Was it?
I probably, I'm going to square it up as
Bear
a
in mind
lot.
you're in the UK.
2 mil. So it's got a 2 mil capacity.
This 40 mil is
Yeah.
actually just got 2 mil capacity.
It's got 2 mil capacity.
Wow,
I
that's
know
weird.
it looks a lot bigger, but
Yeah.
that's cameras and everything.
Yeah.
So I'm actually only 8 stone. It's cameras.
Yes, that's right.
But yeah, it drinks liquid.
I want to vape it again. Come on.
Come on, then.
Oh.
Go on. I want to push this. I need you on side for that conversation with accounts.
Do you know what? Sod it. I'm on side. I'll
That's how easy, isn't it?
Yeah, okay.
It's like you're just going out for a pint, you end up on shots. Yeah, it's crazy. The flavour you get from this is unlike anything else.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. Yeah.
It's like a party piece, but for your mouth.
That's what I tell her. Yeah, it's incredible. And it's from the same guys that do sensible devices.
I mean, here's the other thing. We're being really tame. This is just 80 watts.
80 watts.
It's just
yeah.
80 watts. We're being really sensible with
I
this.
whacked it up earlier to 120 and it really does change everything. But also, we really are in danger if you keep vaping of setting off the smoke alarms.
Yeah, but I'm having the best time ever. I'm just in the corner having a riot.
This has gone from being sensible and telling you all the details to AJ just ripping it up until the alarms go off. Yeah, so it's good fun.
It's amazing fun.
Yeah. And you now can't see anything. This is probably the vapiest it's ever been in it. Right, we should cut to like 5 minutes later when the vape clears. But yeah, it's awesome fun. I need a bit more juice in there, so
It's more of a case of when I first looked at it, I was like, "What's the point?" And now it's more of why not?
yeah.
Why not? We could do that. Yeah, why not do it?
Of course, I'm representing for Dr. Vapes.
Of course, purple is a beautifully liquid, just so vapeable. I think you probably, I'm imagining, did put that in there on purpose, knowing that you wanted to win me over for the argument with accounts.
Oh, with a bit of purple.
A bit of purple, and I'm going to be there. It's yeah. Why not? Why not treat yourself to a weather system all of your own?
Absolutely insane. So much flavour. And I know this has got nothing to do with the device. We're talking about tank, but without the device giving you
It's
everything.
the only thing that's going to sit on top of that.
Yeah.
I can't imagine anyone putting anything else on top of that.
I honestly, I was having a conversation yesterday with Birdie in Australia, and he was saying, I absolutely love it, and I will be vaping it at 400 watts. And there's people out there that totally, that's them. That's them. Super low nicotine.
400?
400 watts, yeah. Cloudsboro Clouds. It's
Why not?
represented for the mech days.
I think that's the slogan for this video, is that it doesn't need a reason. It's why not do it?
Yeah.
We can, so we will. There you go.
The Hog XL. We can, so we will.
That was the party piece that was Vaperz Cloud HOG XL 400.
It's going to get me in a lot of trouble, that.
3 times the amount of trouble that you would if you didn't buy it.
Right, I've got a big ask for you. Please engage with this video and save me from Gene. Gene in accounts, the misery that I will be facing if I need engagement. I need thumbs up.
One way around
I
it
need comments.
is a hashtag, sack Gene.
Oh no.
If you could sack Gene, then we could buy more hogs and just have a hog party.
We'll go to HR and say, look how many people were kicking off.
Yeah, we better sack Gene.
Hashtag sack Gene.
Hashtag sack Gene. Buy the hog. Free the hog.
Free the hog. Get your hog out. Sack Gene.
Yes.
Yeah.
Any of those will do.
Yeah, please.
Make sure you like before you leave. And then when you are leaving, do it with this video.
Yeah, watch it. You should. It's not as good as this one.
No.
But it's close.
Maybe.